Guys, Grace here, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be making a super jiggly slime. Now this is my slime base. It is a pink slime, and yeah, it's really pretty. I like this color. It matches my nails also, you guys. Yeah. So we're going to be making a super jiggly slime, like the ones that you may see on like Instagram or Musically or something like that. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but basically I tried to make one of those super jiggly slimes a while ago, and let me just show you guys how it turned out. Or not a while ago, but yeah, let me show you how it turned out. It's pretty jiggly, but not as jiggly as I would want it to be. So this is what it turned out to be, and it's a little bit sticky. See, it's pretty jiggly, but I had to add in another slime because I didn't have any activator in my house. I had it in my slime shop, so I only used the last bit of my activator, and then I just had to add another slime in order for it to not be super sticky, which it still kind of is super sticky. So yeah, but we are going to make one that's not super sticky because I came with a lot of activator. Let me show you guys all the activator. This is what I put the activator in. It is in an Elmer's clear glue bottle, and it's pretty perfect for like in the house if you want to make slime. So this is a super good slime, and now it's going to be a super jiggly slime. Now I have all of this water, and this is the container that this slime will go into whenever it's finished. But first we're going to add in the water and then mix it in. And technically what you can do is just put it in the water and just mix it in, and it'll get super sticky, and then you can just add an activator. So that's what I'm going to do. There's a super large amount of water in here for the super small slime, but I'm trying to make it super jiggly. Okay, we are going to use the end of a paintbrush to mix it. Whoa, sorry about that, guys. See, it's already starting to get all the water's starting to absorb the slime, and the slime is starting to get pretty sticky, which is why I have activator. So there's a lot of water in this. Should have thought about how much water I was going to put in it. In fact, let me go dump some of the water out because this slime will be super jiggly if I kept that amount of water, but it's hard to mix in. Okay. Have the amount of water that I want. And now we're just going to keep on mixing until the water absorbs all the slime, or the slime technically absorbs all the water. So just have to keep mixing so you guys can still see how the slime is still pretty separated from the water. It needs to be all intact with the water. Like it's kind of getting to be now. So as you guys can see, the slime is pretty much absorbing all of the water that's left in here. And yeah, I had to dump some of the water out because it was gonna be super like liquidy and it wouldn't be super jiggly. we're just gonna keep mixing until the water is all absorbed. And it's almost finished. And I think it is finished, so now it's pretty sticky. As you guys can see, it's sticking to my fingers a lot. So now it's time for our activator. Activator, like you guys saw, is Tide. And then I'm just going to keep adding water until it gets to the perfect consistency that I want. But first I'm going to activate it totally first and see how that texture is. And if it's not the consistency that I want it, we'll do the same thing and just keep adding water to it. Let's take it out and you guys can see the consistency of it. It's still not fully activated. As you guys can see, it's still pretty freaking sticky. Jeez. Okay. So I'm going to need more water for sure. And before I fully activate it, I'm going to go ahead and add in the water. So let's put the slime back in here and go add our water. First, let me get all the slime off my hands. Okay, there we go. Okay. Added about that much water. So it's like all absorbing now. So hopefully this will be enough water for it because I'm already adding in a lot of water. I was about to say super again. I've been saying super for like this entire video. See, the slime is already almost mixed in and it'll be pretty jiggly. Hopefully it'll be way more jiggly than my other one was. Oh, and also I'm going to be trying a new activator in my next video. And I'm making 2 videos today because I'm not going to be able to post at all this week. Well, actually I probably will be able to post this week, but just not like a lot, I guess. Okay, so the slime is so watery now, and it's super sticky as you guys can see. Like there's no slime part about this. It's all just water. Okay, so now let's add in our activator, and I think this should be enough activator for the slime, and I mean enough water for the slime, and hopefully it'll be the perfect watery consistency that I really want it to be. So as you can see, my hands are super slimy now because this is like just liquid. Like it's just not even slime, it's just a liquid. That's why we're adding an activator and seeing if this will work. We're just gonna keep mixing in the activator. And this needs a lot of activator. I'm just gonna mix with my hands now because my hands are already dirty. This uses up a lot of activator. My other one was not near as, not as near watery as this one is going to be. Just gonna mix with my hands. Oh, we got some overboard. That's fine. We can clean it up whenever the slime is finished. Which the slime seems like it is almost finished because I'm mixing it right now and it seems pretty good. Still gonna add in more activator though. Jiggly slime, or this kind of slime that I'm making, is taking up a lot of activator. Now we're gonna take it out and hope that it doesn't get everywhere, which it is looking like it's getting everywhere now, but you know. So, this is the perfect consistency. It just needs to be a little bit more activated, and then it'll be the perfect consistency. So, as you guys can see, this slime is so jiggly. The ones that are more satisfying, however, are the clear ones. So we're just adding a little bit more activator and then it should be really nice and good. I'm gonna use this to mix it again. Okay, so this is the consistency and super nice, as you guys can see. It's very, very, very jiggly. I've been trying to make this consistency for a super long time and it just never works, but now it worked. And I think this one is better than the ones like on Musical.ly and Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that, because this one doesn't stick to your hands as much. So, yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. Okay, so this slime ended up to be a purple slime. It was a pink slime with like a hint of purple, but now it is a full purple lavender slime. I would say this is more of a lavender than a purple, which is a shade of purple, but whatever. So this is the slime, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.